Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of infant car seats with the UPPAbaby Mesa V2. If you're in the market for the best of the best, you've come to the right place. Introducing the UPPAbaby Mesa V2 infant car seat, the pinnacle of safety, comfort, and convenience for your little one. This isn't just any car seat, it's the best Mesa V2 available in the market, and here's why. First up, let's talk about protection. The Mesa V2 is engineered to provide unparalleled safety from all sides. With features like an adjustable headrest reinforced with EP foam and side impact protection, you can rest assured knowing your baby is secure in any situation. But safety is just the beginning. Installation is a breeze with the Mesa V2. Thanks to its innovative Smart Secure system and auto-retracting latch design, you can have this car seat installed in seconds. Plus, with European routing, you have the flexibility to secure the carrier without a base when needed. Now, let's talk about comfort. The Mesa V2 isn't just safe, it's cozy too. The included robust infant insert ensures a perfect fit for your little one, while the breathable and moisture-wicking fabrics keep them cool and comfortable on every journey. Convenience is key for busy parents, and the Mesa V2 delivers. From its one-handed release from stroller to its reversible design for easy maneuverability, every feature is designed to make your life easier. So, if you're in the market for the best infant car seat money can buy, look no further than the UPPAbaby Mesa V2. With its unbeatable safety, comfort, and convenience, it's truly in a league of its own. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy parenting.
The loss of Mr. Slayman is a profound reminder of the risks and challenges